Welcome to Misoo English Coloring. Today, you will learn 10 farm animals in English. Listen carefully. Repeat after me.
Mouse. Mouse.
Is that a mouse?
Yes, it's so quick.
Mouse. Mouse. Rat. Rat.
Is it bigger than a mouse?
Yes, it's a rat.
Rat. Rat. Ferret. Ferret.
What's that long animal?
A ferret. So curious.
Ferret. Ferret. Ox. Ox.
Is that an ox?
Yes, it's strong.
Ox. Ox. Buffalo. Buffalo.
What's that big animal in the mud?
That's a buffalo.
Buffalo. Buffalo. Goose. Goose.
Why is that bird so loud?
It's a goose.
Goose. Goose. Swan. Swan.
What a beautiful bird.
That's a swan.
Swan. Swan. Peacock. Peacock.
Look at that colorful bird.
It's a peacock.
Peacock. Peacock. Chick. Chick.
What's that tiny yellow thing?
A chick.
Peep peep.
Chick. Chick. Calf. Calf.
Who is that next to the cow?
Her calf.
Calf. Calf.
Let's review the words.
Mouse. Rat. Ferret. Ox. Buffalo. Goose. Swan. Peacock. Chick. Calf.
You have learned 10 farm animals in English. If this video is helpful, watch the next video to learn more vocabulary. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.